Our global society takes resources from the earth only to mass produce items that are disposed of in ways that harm the environment. This linear system simply can't last forever, and it's time to explore new ways of designing and making. In this project, you'll be creating sustainable products out of mycelium, the root-like structures of mushrooms. After learning about mycelium and its innovative uses, you'll participate in a written brainstorming activity to identify a consumer product to make, followed by a visual brainstorm to determine feasible and desirable forms. Guided by tutorial videos, you'll then design and 3D print moulds for your chosen solution, before planting an organic substrate inoculated by mycelium. Over a period of 3 to 5 days, the mycelium grows and acts as a binding agent to glue the substrate together. Once dried, your structurally sound product can be put to use in the world. At the end of its life cycle, it can even be broken down into pieces and thrown into the garden, providing precious nutrients to the soil. Let's grow amazing products.